Hi there. This video will show us how to submit an article, a very simple article. Some of the more detailed things we'll go into later on in other videos. So let's get started. Let's first go to our website. And that's livelihoods.net.in. And I'll explain all the layout in another video, but right now we're just going to add a new article. The newest articles appear here in descending order, the newest one first. So we're going to add some articles and they should appear there. First thing we'll want to do is come down to the members login and log in with the editor. We have the option of giving everyone their own name so we know who created what article, but for right now editor will do, and you know the password. Let's log in. Once you log in, you get another menu here, and we're going to go through the submit article and list of articles in this lesson. So let's submit an article. It brings you up to the next screen where you can put in your title. I just have copied something, so I'll just paste that in. The higher cost of petrol raises food prices. This is a WYSIWYG editor, so you can do bolding, you can do styling, you can do bullet lists, and things like that. So we're going to add some text in here. And let's say another paragraph down here. And if we go down, let's make a bullet list. Now there is one thing important about cutting and pasting. If you're cutting from Word, the best way to do it is to first paste it into Notepad to get rid of a lot of hidden word formatting, and then to paste it in here. If you're pasting it from the internet, most of the time you can just paste it in here, highlight it all with a Control A, and remove formatting. And that'll remove a lot of the hidden formatting that we don't really want. Okay, we have bold, italic, underline, left justify, right justify. Let's put in another paragraph here. If I click on this, we can center this. We can bold this. You can even have links. Let's highlight one or more words. Once you highlight one or more words, then this link will come in. Click on link. Enter in a URL. And probably what you want to do most of the time is set the target to a new window. That way they'll always come back to the livelihoods window. Now we have a link in there. We can do numbered lists, bullet lists. Let's go here. We can make certain heading styles with the paragraph here. That'll show up different when we view it from the front end. Lines, you can undo something that you've done. There's a format painter, just like, or I'm sorry, that's not a format painter, that cleans up messy code. Okay, so we have our article, and now what do we need to do? Now we need to put it in a section in a category. Right now we have news for the section, and livelihoods news or extra news. And we can have many sections and many categories, and that's also another way to categorize things. We're going to categorize things with that and with tags. So for right now, we're just going to put in news, livelihoods news. We want it to show on the front page, so click that to yes. And for the meta description and keywords, these are things that the Google will look for when it's trying to rank our engine. So we'll want to put in maybe 1 or 2 short sentences under description, and then some keywords, like 5 to maybe 10 keywords. Let's put in petrol, and each one is separated by a comma, and they can all be just lowercase. Food prices, India. Those would be some of the keywords that should appear also in the text. Everything should be related. The title should have some words that are in the text. The text should have some words that are in the title. The description, the meta description should have some words that are in the text, and the keywords should also be in there. Okay, so we've entered in what we wanted to, and we're going to click Save. Okay, we will set it up. Right now, it publishes straight to the page. So here's our article. And it says up here, thank you for your submission. It will be reviewed before being posted on the site. That's an option where we can have editors submitting lots of different articles and the publisher approving them. But the one thing I want to show you here is this article is pretty long and it pushes out the rest of the articles. So let's go edit that and make it not so. So let's click here on the little icon edit button and figure out how much we want to show on the first page. We want just to there to show. So then come down and put in a more line. And let's save it. And now we get the read more on the front page and we don't push everything else off. So that's a good thing. One thing you need to go into is list articles, and you actually want to click here to publish it. Normally you have to click here to publish it before you'll see it on the front page. Right now there's just a little bug that it goes straight to the front page. Okay, let's go back to the home. And there we are. In our next videos, I'll show you about tagging. We have to edit tags and apply tags so people can find them, searched by different methods, and images. One thing before you get done, you need to log out. So let's click log out. Click log out here. And you're done. Thanks for watching.